You've heard the hype. You've seen the Instagram posts. You've watched designers swear by these trends. But do they really work in real homes? Well, I decided to find out. Today, I tried the hottest 2025 flooring trends, and the results were honestly shocking. Some trends are brilliant, and some are total disasters that designers never warn you about. And stick around till the end, because I'll tell you which trend is actually worth your money, and how Flooring Dubai can help you get the real look without wasting a single dirham. Trend 1: Ultra Matte Wood Finishes. Matte finishes are everywhere in 2025, they look natural, calming, and super high-end. But here's the surprise, they show footprints way less than glossy floors. I walked on them with kids, pets, dust, and they still looked clean. Big win. But cheap matte floors? They scratch like crazy. So if you're choosing this trend, make sure you go for a high-density top layer like the ones we use at Flooring Dubai. Trend 2: Wide Plank SPC Flooring. This trend shocked me in a good way. Wide planks make rooms look bigger and more luxurious instantly. The seamless look is modern and super stylish. The shock? Even small rooms looked more open, something I didn't expect. But you must choose rigid SPC, otherwise the planks bend or click open. Again, quality matters more than trends. Trend 3: Stone Look SPC and Vinyl. 2025 has brought back the stone vibe, marble, concrete, terrazzo looks. I installed a Marble Look SPC, and wow! It looks like a luxury villa without the heavy price or maintenance. But here's the twist. Real stone is freezing and slippery. Stone Look SPC stays warm, safe, and way easier to clean. Definitely a trend worth trying, especially from Flooring Dubai's premium collections. Trend 4: Eco-Friendly Bamboo Flooring. Bamboo was hyped hard this year. And yes, it looks stunning and feels premium. But the shocking part? Cheap bamboo expands fast in humidity. One test room looked. Another room? Gaps everywhere. Good bamboo equals great choice. Cheap bamboo equals big regret. Trend 5: Neutral Earth Tones, Beige, Warm Gray, Soft Oak. This trend is surprisingly powerful. Warm earthy flooring made every room feel calmer, larger, and more expensive. These tones hide dust and scratches better too. Shocking discovery. Changing the floor color changed the mood of the entire home. Trend 6: Pattern Flooring, Herringbone and Chevron. Yes, it looks luxurious. Yes, it feels premium. And yes, it absolutely transforms a room. But the shocking part? Installation cost is higher, unless you choose SPC Herringbone, which Flooring Dubai installs at a surprisingly affordable rate. Same stunning pattern, without the designer price tag. Trend 7: Waterproof Everything. Every brand claims waterproof flooring in 2025. But when I tested them, spilled water, left it overnight, did moisture checks. Some failed. The true shock was that only high-quality SPC and hybrid floors were truly waterproof. If you have kids, pets, or a kitchen, don't fall for fake labels. Choose real waterproof floors from trusted suppliers only. What actually works in real homes? After testing all the hottest trends, here's what actually impressed me. Wide Plank SPC. Stone Look SPC. Premium Ultramatte Finishes. Earth Tone Wood Colors. SPC Herringbone, affordable plus luxurious. These trends aren't just stylish, they're practical and long-lasting. Trends come and go. But good flooring lasts 10 to 20 years. So instead of chasing every new style, choose something durable, modern, and easy to maintain. If you want to explore these 2025 trends in real samples, or need expert advice for your home, Flooring Dubai has the widest variety of SPC, engineered wood, and luxury flooring options. Free measurement, free samples, professional installation, and the results speak for themselves.